Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best safe lock is probably one of the most crucial components for safeguarding your valuables, offering peace of mind and robust security against unauthorized access. Whether you're protecting sensitive documents, precious heirlooms, or important assets, the right safe lock ensures that only you and those you trust can gain entry, making it an indispensable tool for both home and business security. Number 5. Gun Safe Lock Replacement Solenoid Lock. Introducing our advanced gun safe lock replacement. This kit includes everything you need to upgrade your existing safe with enhanced security features. Crafted from high-grade zinc alloy, this electronic lock offers superior durability and resistance to corrosion and forced entry. It provides robust physical protection for your valuables. You can set one management password and up to 2 user passwords for flexible access control. Added interference codes ensure your passwords remain secure from unauthorized access. Designed for easy DIY installation, this lock can be programmed with 3 to 8-digit codes. The integrated battery compartment is conveniently located inside the entry case. Perfect for a wide range of applications, it's suitable for home safes, lockboxes, pistol safes, hotel safes, and cabinet safes. Ensure proper function by replacing all old parts with the new ones and using a 9V alkaline battery. In addition to the digital keypad, 2 override keys are included for emergency access. This ensures you can always open your safe when needed. What we like. This electronic lock offers robust security with multiple password options and interference codes. If you are looking for a secure and straightforward replacement for your home or pistol safe, this is a great choice. It's designed for easy installation, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. What people say. The lock is easy to install and set up. It is a great replacement for lost keys. The lock is sturdy and well made. Number 4. Chrome Electronic Safe Lock. Introducing our Chrome Electronic Safe Lock, a complete set designed for enhanced security. It features an electromagnetic locking mechanism for superior confidentiality. Experience high-quality construction with this lock. It offers strong durability and advanced features to prevent forced entry and lockout. Setting up your personalized access is easy. You can create a 3 to 8-digit password and change it anytime for your convenience. This replacement lock is perfect for a wide range of safes. Use it for home safes, gun safes, hotel safes, and more. While installation is straightforward, professional help is recommended if you're not a technician. Contact us for dedicated one-on-one assistance with any issues. What we like. Built for enhanced durability and physical protection, this lock set provides a strong defense against forced entry. If you need a reliable and flexible locking mechanism for various types of safes, including home, gun, or hotel safes, this is a solid option. Its ability to change passwords easily adds to its convenience. What people say. The lock is easy to install and program. It works great and is very secure. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. ONNAIS Keyless RV Door Lock. Introducing the ONNAIS Keyless RV Door Lock, designed to fit most trailers and fifth wheels. It offers heavy-duty full-metal construction with anti-prying features, a 100-feet remote FOB unlock, keyless keypad entry, a peek-proof backlit code, and is weatherproof. Experience robust security with its premium all-metal construction, built to resist forced entry. This lock is weatherproof for durability and offers up to 2 years of reliable use on a single battery, whether you use the FOB or keypad. Enjoy the convenience of unlocking your RV from up to 100 feet away with the included FOB. No more fumbling for keys or codes, and a hidden mechanical key provides an extra layer of security. This smart lock features a convenient keypad for keyless and FOB-free entry, perfect for quick trips. You can even share temporary access with friends or service crews without compromising your main access. Keep your code secure with its peek-proof keypad, allowing you to add random digits before and after your password for virtually uncrackable protection. The backlight ensures easy use at night and can be turned on or off for discretion. Installation is a breeze with the included kit containing all necessary screws and tools. It fits standard RV openings and is designed for most RV doors, ensuring a perfect fit. We stand behind our quality with a worry-free lifetime warranty. If anything goes wrong with your RV door lock replacement, we've got you covered for complete peace of mind. What we like. Experience ultimate convenience with remote unlocking up to 100 feet away and keyless keypad entry. If you own an RV or trailer and desire seamless access without fumbling for keys, this is the perfect solution. Its robust, weatherproof design ensures reliability in various conditions. What people say. The lock is easy to install and set up. It is a great replacement for old locks and works perfectly. The keypad is responsive and the lock mechanism is smooth. Number 2. Armstrong Stack-on Replacement Key Lock. Upgrade your security with this reliable replacement key lock. It's designed for easy installation and provides dependable access to your valuables. Never worry about losing a key again. This lock comes with a complete set of 2 keys, ensuring you always have a backup for convenient access. Setting it up is a breeze with the included mounting hardware. Plus, its bright brass finish adds a classic, polished look to your cabinet. This is the perfect direct replacement for key locks in current production stack-on cabinets that use flat keys. It ensures a seamless fit and function. Keep your belongings safe with its secure, key-operated locking mechanism. It offers reliable security for your gun cabinets. Please note that this lock is designed for current production models with flat keys. It is not compatible with cabinets using round tubular keys or older models. What we like. This lock provides a classic aesthetic with its bright brass finish and reliable key-operated security. If you have a current production stack-on or Sentinel gun cabinet that uses flat keys, this is a direct and easy-to-install replacement. It's ideal for those who prefer a straightforward, key-based locking system. What people say. The lock is easy to install and program. It is a sturdy and well-made lock. The keypad is responsive and the numbers are clear. Number 1. Homak 3-4 Replacement Lock. Upgrade your security with this replacement lock from Homak. It's designed for a perfect fit with your existing lock bar. This lock features an active body length of 3-4 inches. It provides a robust and reliable locking mechanism. Enjoy smooth operation with its 90-degree rotation. The key can be removed in both locked and unlocked positions for convenience. All locks are keyed alike, meaning they operate with the same key. This simplifies access if you have multiple units. Each lock comes with 2 keys for your peace of mind. Never worry about being locked out again. This is an original Homak lock, ensuring compatibility with your original Homak lock bar. It's the ideal solution for a direct replacement. What we like. This key-to-like lock offers the convenience of using a single key for multiple locks, perfect for your Homak toolbox. If you are looking to replace an original Homak toolbox lock with a 3-4 active body length, this is the ideal fit. Its design allows for key removal in both locked and unlocked positions. What people say. The lock is easy to install and program. It is a sturdy and well-made lock. The keypad is responsive and the buttons are easy to press. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.